Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Specifically, we'll be exploring the top 5 side hustles you can start with the help of AI. If you're looking to earn some extra income or pivot to a tech-savvy venture, these options might be perfect for you. First up, freelance data analysis. Companies are always on the lookout for skilled individuals who can interpret data to drive business decisions. With AI tools, you can automate a lot of the process, making it more efficient and less time-consuming. Next, we have content creation using AI. From generating blog posts to designing graphics, AI can help streamline your creative process. It's a great way for writers and designers to enhance their productivity and output. Another option is AI-powered tutoring. Platforms like AI-driven language and math apps offer personalized learning experiences. You can leverage these tools to offer tailored tutoring sessions for students of all levels. Offering virtual assistant services has become increasingly viable thanks to AI. Automate scheduling, email management, and more with AI tools, allowing you to handle more clients efficiently. Finally, developing AI apps. For those with coding skills, creating AI applications can be a lucrative endeavor. The demand for innovation in this space is high, offering numerous opportunities for both beginners and seasoned developers. And there you have it, the top 5 side hustles leveraging AI. Each offers a unique way to integrate technology into your work, allowing for creativity and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your AI journey.